On this tutorial, I will demonstrate you how to create users and giving privilege to these users. As you remember, first, when you log into Colmis, here, click on Colmis, it asks you username and password. Since this is the default username and the default blank password, you can click OK and then you log into the system. But if you have a username and a password, you can log into the system only using your username and password. Since we the developers create this default username and this blank password, anybody can log into this using username and this blank password. But to protect your system from other users, it is expected from you to create username and password. For the first time, click using this default username and password, then OK. To create users, click on security here. On this security, you have different users and their privilege. Privilege with admin means a user with a privilege of admin hat can access any part of the system. He can write, he can delete, he can generate a report. While a user with limited access has a privilege only to access that has been assigned by the administrator. So let's check this by creating a new users. It is the administrator who can create a user. A user with a limited access cannot create a user. So to create a user here, since I have logged into the system using the admin username and with admin access level, so I can create a username. So to create a username, let me create two users. One name by Abebe. Abebe is a father name Alamu. Access level, let's give him an admin level. Create a password. So his password can be created by me. So sorry, let me activate the username by using add new user. Let Abebe. His father name Alamu. Admin level. Username Abebe. Password Abebe. Save it. It will be listed on the user list. Then let me create another user with the limited access. Add new user. His name is Kabada. His father name is also Alamu. The same father name. Username Kabada. Password Kabada. Then save. Sorry. I have to change his limited access. So he has a limited access. Since he has a limited access, I have to give him an access level. Here, Kabada has not to use, I haven't given him a privilege to these projects. On this project, I have also restrict him to see cost estimation reports, which is A1 KHDPO, takeoff sheet, also takeoff sheet. I have given none of the privilege. He cannot read and he cannot write on this about cost estimation and takeoff sheet. But others privilege has given to him. So let's check. So now I will log into closing the system, and again I'll log in, and no, I will log in using the new password here above. Password and you log into using Ababa, which the username is Ababa. Ababa has an administrative privilege, so he can see any of the reports. He can generate any of the reports. He can do anything. He can write, he can delete, anything. But let's log back to Bhai Kabbada. Then Kabbada. When Kabbada is logging into the system, let's check that I have protected him this project, so no specifications are found for it. It means I have protected Kabbada to see this project. He can see another projects. Yeah, this Kabbada can access only this project. I have protected Kabbada not to prepare takeoff it. So Kabbada can't prepare takeoff it, can't generate takeoff sheet report for this project. So you can create usernames and passwords, forward this username and password to different users. So they will log into the system using their username and password. If you give them administrative privilege, they can do anything on the system. If you give them a limited privilege, they perform this task according to that given privilege. You can protect a project, you can protect a function like costs, estimations, quantities, and anything. So it is your choice to decide how to use passwords and usernames.